Hi and welcome to our pitch for Around the World with Maths. This online game will be a prototype of what students can successfully make from a series of lessons created by us.
The 3 lessons produced align with the Australian Curriculum Year 3 Mathematics syllabus and the content descriptor recall multiplication factors of 2, 3, 5 and 10 and the related division facts. Therefore, our target age group for this game will be between 8 and 11 years of age. Firstly, students will be introduced to the program Scratch. In this lesson, students will learn how to add a sprite, how to move a sprite, and how to make the sprite talk. The end goal for this lesson is for students to become familiar with the basics of the program. Secondly, students' prior knowledge of Scratch obtained in Lesson 1 will be expanded through the introduction of stages, also known as backgrounds. Students will learn how to add stages and how to change the stage and make the sprite move through these different stages.
Finally, students will use knowledge gained from the previous 2 lessons to introduce math elements and sounds in Scratch. Students will learn how to ask a question using maths and how to respond when an answer is given. By the end of these lessons, students should have the knowledge and skills to build a Scratch game like Around the World with Maths to further their learning. The emergence of new digital technologies provides new tools for promoting critical thinking and creativity in an environment that encourages collaboration. Launched in 2007, Scratch enables creative collaboration to design, build and invent shared projects. With Scratch programming, young people can create their own interactive media, including animations, games and stories. Scratch will be used to design the features and components of our 3 lessons and our final game. Google Docs will be used to store, combine and present our ideas. And finally, Microsoft PowerPoint was used to create the presentation for this pitch. Around the World with Maths is an interactive online game which helps students revise their multiplication and division facts. In this game, the player starts at school and their sprite voices that they do not want to go home yet. A wizard appears and offers the player a choice of answering math questions to go on an adventure before returning home.
Players will have to correctly answer the question asked by the wizard before they can move on to a different stage. The game will make a cheering sound for each time the player answers correctly and will move on. However, if the answer provided is incorrect, the player will hear a buzzing sound and will have the opportunity to try again. The game ends once all questions have been correctly answered and the wizard returns the sprite to their home.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned for Around the World with Maths.